All right, we're excited about this Sunday, which is March the 30th from 11 to 5. The Food Network is going to be hosting 5 food trucks for a great food truck race downtown the city of Darlington. It's going to look great. It's going to be filmed, and so the whole world will be able to see what's going on. And they're trying to find the finalists for the 5 food trucks. And so you can go down and actually purchase food. And as long as DOT has approved everything, this will keep you updated on exact times. But exact 11 to 5 this Sunday. Come out and check that out. It's going to be some great time and great food for everybody in the city of Darlington. Okay, mark your calendars for April the 5th, which is a Saturday at 6 o'clock. So between 6 and 6:30, the city of Darlington, joined with NASCAR, will be hosting Throwback Parade for the race. It'll start otherwise south of Pearl and the City Hall and Piggly Wiggly on Pearl Street, and it will go from there all the way into the racetrack. So bring your lawn chairs out, bring your family out, and enjoy the race parade for that weekend. And that's April the 5th between 6 and 6:30, right after the race is up. All right, we're also excited about the sports complex out on Blue Street. This April the 12th is a Saturday. Put and mark your calendars down for that at 6 o'clock. We'll be doing the groundbreaking and a ceremony for the baseball fields out there that we have worked really hard on. Almost a $9 million project between the city of Darlington and the school district. The school board has helped us with all that. And got a new high school field, new recreational fields, new tennis courts, new bathrooms, and facilities for you to get food and stuff at. It's looking really great out there. We're excited about that. Also that night at 7 o'clock, Next Level Band from Charlotte will be playing. We'll have a concert out there. It'll be our first concert of the series. We're going to be having 3 this year, but that's the first one. And that starts at 7. So it's 6 o'clock. Come out and join us for the ceremony for the ball fields. We're super excited about that. We're excited about Starbucks opening up. Their grand opening will be April the 3rd and that morning. So mark your calendar and come out and support the local businesses around. We appreciate them coming into town and being part of the city of Darlington. Also, Goodwill they'll be opening up very soon in front of Burger King on the bypass there. So we're excited about new businesses coming around and also coming into Darlington and all the support. And it shows that people believe in the city of Darlington, that we're growing one step at a time. But excited about that. So mark your calendars and support everybody that's local, all your local restaurants and businesses and all in town to keep the economy growing. And the Water and Sewer Department's got some work going on over on Lee Street. They're working on some sewer lines over there, so always be cautious of the guys out working. I know these guys, so wave at them and tell them you appreciate their hard work. Always work in progress on every city and all the PD area. Everybody's always working on their stuff, so we greatly appreciate our guys out doing a great job. DOT also will be working and trying to, by the Hardee's intersection up there on Broad Street and South Main, trying to work on the clog that's up there in their storm drain. So make sure that's taken care of so we won't have any issues up there. We appreciate their help. DOT is working with Hartsel along us their front end back truck to be able to get in there. We appreciate Casey, Mayor, and all from over there. Senator Chaplin has been helping with all that over there, trying to make sure we get that area taken care of so we don't have any issues with our flooding. So we greatly appreciate the senator jumping in and the city of Hartsel helping us with their truck and DOT. So it's always teamwork trying to get these things done. We greatly appreciate it. We appreciate the citizens being positive and courteous out on the Facebook line and being patient while we get things continue to grow and prosper and repaired as we grow our city of Darlington. All right, also great information about PDRTA. You can go to PDRTA.org and get information. Also, you can call them at 665-2227 for information. But a lot of people don't understand all that PDRTA does. They bring people to take them to work, pick them up and bring them to and back and forth from work, to hospital, to anywhere. Shopping, you can use them for that. One of the great things that a lot of people don't understand also is that PDRTA is also free for the citizens of Darlington. So in the Darlington area, so there's no charge for the ride. A lot of places, other surrounding areas, you have to pay. But that's great for the city of Darlington. I think my understanding, Genesis Healthcare helped take care of that, and then they're big supporters along with a lot of other companies. They're also big supporters. City of Darlington support. We fund part of that for the PDRTA for people to be able to have rides And so if you contact them at those numbers, they'll let you know for sure exactly where the spots are that you can be picked up and where the routes are and the times and so forth. We'll continue to, they're continuing to work on growing even more, but they're doing almost 1 million rides a year throughout the PD area. So they're taking people as far as Harbor Freight out in the Dillon area and so forth, that you can get a ride to go to work. It's a great opportunity for those that don't have cars or need help, or even those that are trying to carpool and save traffic and money on gas and everything else throughout that way. Is a good way to transit for the PD area. So we greatly appreciate their hard work and support. They are working on more handicap stuff for people with handicapped chairs and wheelchairs and so forth also. So they can accommodate pretty much anybody, get you to the doctor's office and things like that too. So if you need assistance on that, so it's PDRTA.org, O-R-G, and their phone number is 843-665-2227. If you have any information that you would like to clear up on that, so you can get some help with your transportation. And in South Carolina, we have 4 seasons sometimes in one day, but summer is knocking on the door. So June 1st, we'll be here before you know it, and we are super excited about our splash pad. It looks like a Mickey Mouse head. It's almost a $600,000 splash pad, and the great news, it's free to the public. There's no charge. You can come out and enjoy it with your kids and have a great time. There'll be benches and stuff for you to sit on. They'll be putting up new fencing, restrooms out there for them right in the middle of the City of Darlington, by the tennis courts off of Orange Street. So mark your calendar for that, and we'll give you the exact date of when we have the opening for that. But super excited for the making the City of Darlington have more activities for the kids to come out and play and families to enjoy. And so mark your calendars down that they're coming up hopefully in June, that the contractors stay on schedule. Everything should be great. So spread the word. The City of Darlington is constantly growing, constantly encouraging to others, and trying to make our beautiful city even better every day.